everyone, we're going to solve the equation sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta equals 1 plus cosine theta. We're going to use our Pythagorean identities with this one. I want to be able to factor this, simplify and factor this to get the solutions. And I have cosine here and quadratic, and this one's in linear form. So I want to change this sine squared to equal 1 minus cosine squared. So that way I have everything in terms of cosine. So I'll write this as 1 minus cosine squared. Then we still had minus cosine squared theta equals 1 plus cosine theta. What we're going to do is go ahead and simplify this as 1 minus 2 cosine squared of theta equals 1 plus cosine theta. Since it's in quadratic form, I'm going to move everything over to the right-hand side. So I'm going to subtract the 1. When you subtract the 1, those just go away. And I'm going to add the 2 cosine squared of theta to both sides. When you do that, you're going to get 2 cosine squared of theta plus cosine of theta. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the 0 on this side because that's what we're used to. Now we're going to use our greatest common factor and factor out a cosine. So we have cosine theta, and this is going to give us 2 cosine theta plus 1 equals 0. All right, so now we just solve for our theta as usual. So this one, where cosine is 0, cosine is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So my angle is going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Remember, your cosine is your x value, so I'm just looking for that. And now for this one, solve for cosine. So when you subtract 1 from both sides, you get 2 cosine of theta equals negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, and you get cosine of theta equals negative 1/2. So we're looking for x, cosine is your x, where it is negative 1/2. So I'm looking for quadrants 2 and 3. That's where cosine, or your x value here, is negative. And that's going to give you 2 pi divided by 3 and 4 pi divided by 3. So my angle is 2 pi divided by 3 and 4 pi divided by 3. Therefore, this are your 4 solutions right here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.